Good morning. It's Friday. Whoop whoop. So excited. I am getting ready to go to a Younique retreat for my team. And I am just running around like a lady with a chicken with her head cut off because I don't know which direction I should be going, and I haven't even got my bag packed yet. I dropped the kids off, and my husband is outside putting up a big light on our shed. So he's being nice and letting me do my thing while he's outside and he's not underfoot. But that's... Anyway, so I wanted to hop on. I'm putting my makeup on anyway. I thought I would share with you while I did that. First of all, who gets breakouts when they get stressed? Only I don't get pimples, I get cold sores. And I don't just get them like one on my lip, I get them in, on, around my nose. Sometimes I get them on my mouth. And they are extremely uncomfortable, but then I always feel really self-conscious and really insecure about it. Good morning, ladies. And so I woke up, I was so excited last night I couldn't sleep. So I kept like rubbing it itched. So I kept rubbing and I'm like, oh crap. So at like 2 o'clock this morning I was putting cream on my lip, and sure enough, here we go. Good morning. Hey Tammy. Hey Brandy. Hi Christy. So needless to say, first day before we go to my thing for the weekend, I get this really lovely breakout on my face. Hey Brandy. Hey, how's that new job? So anyway, I was going to put my eyeshadow on. I've already got the rest of my face on. I've got my eyebrows on. I even put some Cream Victorious on here, and I was starting to do my eye makeup. I'm like, oh crap, I was going to go live. I can't even remember to do that. That's how crazy it is right now. My brain is not my friend. Okay, so I've got pressed powder shadows. Hi Sandra. I'm going to try and do a neutral eye because I really want to do a nice big bold lip today. So I am going to stay kind of matte at first with my transition color. So I'm going to get Astute. Excuse me. Now I always say I'm going to do a neutral eye, and then I can't do it because I love color so much that I can't. So if I go too much on the color, I'll go more nude on the lip. So that's Astute. We're going to grab our blending brush. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to grab some of that just on the tip of my brush. Tap off the excess. And then I'm going to put it right there in the corner of my eye and then pull it in. So I'm going to put it there in the crease of my eye and start from the corner and then come through my eyelid. Grab a little more for the other side. So let me run through I put my face on, I put my eye primer on, I put my eyebrows on, and then I started putting Victorious on, which is our cream shadow, which I love, love, love. It's the perfect neutral shade that just evens out your skin tone on your eyes, because I have a lot of discoloration on my eyelids, so it just wipes all that out without having to apply concealer on my eyelids, so it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a medium. I usually use 3 to 4 colors. Your hair's so, yeah, it's starting to get long. It's like the longest it's ever been, and I made sure I washed it today and made it straight so I didn't have to wash it the whole rest of the weekend, because I'm really, I don't wash it very often because it gets so dry. So it's especially straight today because I roller brushed it when I dried it, and then I flat ironed it too. Okay. Man, I hate choosing colors. It's really hard. Okay, I'm going to take the deluxe brush, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to grab some Nimble, which is kind of a satin brown or light brown, I guess, mocha maybe. Again, I'm trying to go neutral, and I'm going to have a really hard time doing that because I'm not much on neutrals. Maybe that's a matte color. I can't tell. I'm just going to apply it on my lid right here. We're going for neutral so I can put a bold lip on because it's Friday. My girlfriend Angel was over yesterday and she was so nice. She colored my hair for me so I didn't have to stress because I didn't want to bother Amanda because she's not feeling well. And with the weather being what it is, I really didn't want to go there and deal with that. And she was so nice and sweet to come over and do that yesterday. Neutral. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put, just to finish it off and give me a little bit of sparkle, not like sparkle, but a little shimmer shine. I'm going to put some Fanatical, which is kind of a gold, which I love a little bit of shimmer. Hey Jen, morning, I'm going to miss you. I'm just going to put that right here on my lid. You'll have to keep an eye on Todd and the kids for me, see if he posts anything on Facebook. See how he's doing and if the kids are going to drive him over the edge. Okay, so I just put Fanatical on just to kind of give a little bit of light and shimmeriness to that. And then I'm going to grab my angled shadow sponge brush, and I'm going to take the sponge side and I'm going to grab some Optimistic, which is a really light, it's almost like a pearly color. It's my brain is seriously not working. Hey Dad. Hey Kelly, thank you so much for your order last night. That was a really nice surprise to wake up to that. I'm really excited that you got the kudos. I think you're going to love it. I even sent corporate a message about why it was taking so long to get my order, which it really isn't taking that long to get my kudos, but I'm like stalking the mailman, and it's supposed to get here this morning, and I'm so disappointed because I think we're leaving for the retreat before the mailman's going to come. I'm so bummed. So when I get back, I'm going to do a live with my kudos. So I get back Sunday, and you can bet I'm going to be on there doing a live with the kudos. So I am just going to put a little bit of this in the corner of my eye to highlight there. Make me look like a little more awake. Oh, good, Kelly. Did you have a really good trip? It looked like it was so nice. Hey, Jennifer. And I'll pull some right there. Hey, Allison. And then I'm going to put a little bit of... I'm going to grab a little bit of gingerly and I'm going to put it right underneath the corner of my eye just to kind of bring it together. And I love those colors and like my favorites. Kind of like a pumpkin-y, orangey color without the shimmer. So it looks a lot like the Fanatical without the shimmer. We're trying something new. Why not? That's still pretty neutral, right? Okay. Hey, Angel! I was just telling them how you helped me out yesterday. Okay, so those are the colors on my eyes for my makeup today, and I'm going to... It was unbelievable. Oh, good. Oh, I bet it's cold. It's supposed to snow here a bunch today, so I'm hoping we can get out of town before it starts snowing too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna, don't mind the bangs, I'm gonna put my Epic on. And I'm kind of putting this on blind because I can't really see. Did you guys know that this will curl your lashes if you run a warm hairdryer on your eyes? Like you put it on, like you put the hairdryer like right here, like underneath your face kind of, and you just blow a nice stream of warm air up. It will dry and curl your lashes up. I am getting ready to leave. I had to put my makeup on. Silly goose. What, you don't like seeing my face this morning, Angel? Okay, one more eye. Oh, nuts. Look what I just did. I shouldn't say I put my whole face on. Thanks, Angel. I'm gonna try. I don't think I'm gonna have to try very hard, though. I had to take Millie to daycare this morning because there's no way I was gonna say goodbye to her and then have Todd drop me off. That I told Todd, because he was like, I don't need to take her to daycare this morning. And I'm like, yeah, we do. And I said, she'd probably be a little bit of a mess, and I would be a holy hot mess, is what I would be. I had to say goodbye to her and then take off. So I just made it quick and simple this morning. Hello, guys. Hey, Kelly. Just finishing up my eye makeup. I forgot to put, I have not put on blush or bronzer or my highlighter yet, but I can do that real quick when I'm all done here. Okay, so there's 2 coats of Epic in my eyeshadows. I'm not going to put liner on. I don't use liner a whole lot just because I'm not a liner fan. If I were to go somewhere really important, I'd put it on. Okay. If you let it dry, it should come off really easy, but boy, that white. There we go. Okay, good enough. All right, let me get my lipstick because I'm going to put some bold red lips on today. To match my sweater. I'm a bargain shopper, and I'm going to tell you what, I got this sweater at Maurice's for $6.75. It was in the clearance, and let me tell you, love it. I'm actually going to put on, if I can find it in here. Here it is, Curvaceous. That was it was our kudos from last month, and it's like my only real red lipstick that I have, and I love wearing it anyway. So, hey Jean, I'm gonna put it on. It's powder that turns to, you can even see it coming off. Can you see that? Turns to cream when it touches your mouth. It's long wearing. And really lightweight. What do you think? Neutral eye, bold lip. Got to love it, especially on a Friday, you guys. Well, I'm going to finish packing. I got to finish up putting blush and stuff on, and then I have to finish packing because I haven't packed yet. And then we have to run to Galesburg and get some last minute items real quick before Todd drops me off. So, enjoy your weekend. Happy Friday. Get some rest in, you guys, and I will come back on Sunday and hopefully show you my kudos, which I'm super excited about, okay? Thank you for watching me this morning. Bye.